Alright, on this problem we have an x to the power of 0, so that's just a 1. We can pretty much just get rid of it. But we do have some simplifying to do in the denominator rather. So let's simplify that stuff. We're not going to work with that power of 2 yet. But we have that x to the power of negative 2 times x to the power of negative 3. That would give us x to the power of negative 5.
Wait, ours has an x to the power of 0.
Alright. Another thing we can see on this is we got negative 18 divided by 6. Right account? And negative 18 divided by 6 is negative 3. And in the numerator we have a to the power of 3. We can simplify this a little bit further. We got negative 3. We can work with the a's there. A to the power of 3 divided by a to the power of 2 would be a to the power of 3 minus 2, which is 1. A to the power of 1. And all this over x to the power of negative 5. So we get rid of this part over here. And this is all squared. So this would be negative 3 squared times a squared all over x to the power of negative 10. But remember, we can't have negative exponents, which we have in this particular case. So we're going to change that to a positive exponent. Negative 3 squared, I'll evaluate that as 9. A squared. And we're just going to reciprocate this x to the power of negative 10 to the numerator, which would be x to the power of 10. Bam. No more negative exponents, only positive exponents. Fully simplified. Nailed it. So the reciprocal, we could just look at this as 1 over x to the power of negative 10. When we reciprocate a fraction, we're just going to flip these. So the reciprocal of this would be x to the power of 10 over 1. But we don't really write that it's out of 1 or over 1. So that's why the x to the power of 10 goes right here.